We can go far on our own, but so much further as a team. If you look at marketing, it is one of the most underrated wealth creation strategies. Raise your hands if you wouldn't mind making $250,000 by having one extra page on your site. You're not trying to pat people with lukewarm benefits. You're trying to get one great benefit and drive it home so it pierces the veil of indifference. You can create and grab people's details on a form that lives on Facebook. You don't need a website to place ads. What's the cost? I hope it's free.
No.
Just say free.
Okay, it's really free. Yeah?
Great marketing. We're starting the relationship off by giving, not getting.
How awesome is Cham?
Exciting and really, really inspirational.
Cham just comes across with this exuberance.
Cham is extremely authentic in the way he delivers everything.
In actuality, one of the most important things is how you say something, not what you say. Raise your hands if you're unsure about how Google figures out who's on the first page. Everything rearranges itself. It's responsive. Because it's responsive, it's mobile optimized, Google likes that. All the things, it doesn't matter how old you are, young you are, male, female. Above all of that, you're a human being. What we can do and achieve is miraculous